Welcome my dear children to the part 3 from the chapter Oscillations. In this module, let us discuss about simple harmonic motion and uniform circular motion. Simple harmonic motion and uniform circular motion are related to one another. Uniform circular motion can be interpreted as a simple harmonic motion. An explanation is, consider a ball tied to a thread and moving in a circular path in such a way that it appears to be in circular motion for a person who is observing it from the top view, or for a person who is standing in the same plane as we are. But this motion appears to be simple harmonic motion if somebody is standing in the same plane of motion, or if we are observing it from one of its sides. Mathematically, let us consider a particle which is rotating along the circumference of a circle. In the figure, let P dash be the present position of the particle. Let us assume that this particle is moving in a circular path which is having a radius capital R with an angular velocity omega. Then its angular position at the point P dash is given by omega t plus phi. Then we have already discussed that its x displacement will be given by a cos omega t plus phi. Now let us take the projection of particle at P dash to the x-axis. That is, here P dash P will act as the projection of the particle at the point P dash along the x-axis. That is, as the particle is moving in the same way, the projections are also moving. So when the particle is moving in the upper part of the circle, then the projection will be moving towards the left. That is, as the point P dash moves along a circular path, the point P moves to the left. Or when the particle is moving in the lower part of the circle, then the projections will be moving towards the right. That is, as a whole, we can say when the particle is moving along the circumference of a circle, that is the point P dash, if it is moving along the circumference of a circle, the point P, which is its projection along the x-axis, will be moving left and right about the equilibrium position O, which is the center of the circle. So, the motion of the projection is an example for simple harmonic motion, whereas the motion of the particle can be treated as uniform circular motion. That is, once again, referring to the figure, we can see that the point P dash is moving in a uniform circular motion in a circle of radius A, while its projection P is moving along the x-axis and it is executing simple harmonic motion. So as a conclusion, we can say that simple harmonic motion is the projection of uniform circular motion on the diameter of the circle in which the simple harmonic motion takes place. Hope you have got an idea about uniform circular motion and SHM. Thank you, dear students.